Hi, I'm Maciek Zaremba with Sarasota for Sale over at Keller Williams, and I'm sitting here with Christopher.Kouvatsos with Movement Mortgage, and today's topic are FHA loans. So Chris, tell me, what are FHA loans?
FHA loans are a great product, Maciek. They're really out there for the borrower that may have had a little bit of a credit issue or, just needs a little bit lower of a down payment come the time they're purchasing.
Okay, so it sounds like it may be really geared a little bit towards a first-time home buyer. Is that right?
Yeah, it can go towards a first-time home buyer. It'll take a minimum 580 credit score, and
okay.
So it's more lenient, right? So it's backed by the government, so you're going to have protection on it for life, mortgage insurance on it for life, which is why it kind of ease up on their standards a little bit regarding this loan type.
Okay, and what are the minimum down payments on an FHA loan?
So FHA loan is primary residence only, always 3.5%. So that's why it's kind of lucrative. If you're going to purchase your next property, your next primary residence, it might be a better situation for you down payment wise.
Okay, so it sounds like, theoretically, if you're a first-time home buyer looking for a home and you have your 3.5% down, you might be able to formulate something with the seller paying your closing costs and kind of get in at 3.5%.
It's possible. There's a lot of different options out there, and that's one way that we've done deals together that we've accomplished that. So a little out of pocket, really great product.
Okay, and if someone has had an FHA loan in the past, can they get another one in the future? Or is that like once in a lifetime event?
Yeah, you can have multiple FHA loans in your lifetime. There are times when you can also carry FHA loans together, like one on top of another. It just depends on what your equity position is. If you're moving, there's some stipulations there, and I'd love to go over those with that individual borrower if we need to.
Okay, and now what would you say are the downsides? I've talked to a lot of agents out there when I'm representing an FHA buyer, and for some reason they're wary of these programs. Are there any downsides to it?
A lot of the time they get wary because FHA loans are really out there for, like I said, the borrower that may have had credit events, that may have had something that where they're just not in the perfect position yet. Also with FHA loans, the appraisal is a little bit more. They're a little bit more sticklers on their appraisal. They want to see all the health and safety violations, or no health and safety violations, if you will, just to make sure that the house is livable. That's going to be good for the client.
Okay, excellent. Well, it sounds like an excellent program. I know I've helped many clients with this FHA program. I've used it myself on my first home purchase when I was in my early 20s, and I gotta say it was a great program at the time, and it's a great program for all the buyers that are in that position where they don't have that 20% down payment, but they are ready with their income. They're making money with a good job, and they really want to get into a house. Anything else you can think of about FHAs that kind of sticks out as being a little bit different than conventional loans or any other products?
Aside from, you have one thing that is just the upfront cost of MIP, mortgage insurance upfront. If you're talking about one other downside to FHA, it's just they're a little bit more of an expensive loan. You got to pay for the mortgage insurance that you're getting. It's an upfront fee that's rolled into the loan amount. So that's just, I guess you could say another bad thing about it, if you would.
Yeah, but if it allows you to get in and you're getting the right home for your family, that you have a 10-year plan, it seems like that's just a little cost to doing business, which every business has cost of doing business.
Correct.
All right, excellent. Well, if you have any questions about FHA, please feel free to reach out to me or to Chris. My number is 941-400-7084.
And I'm Chris.Kouvatsos, 941-806-7625. Thanks.